Now after explaining the concepts of measurement of angles, that is sexagesimal system, centesimal system and circular system, the very important fact that how we will apply in solving the problems of these systems. This is question number 1. Find the length of arc of a circle of radius 5 centimeter subtending a central angle of 15 degree. So it means that definitely we have to apply the third system, that is known as the circular system. So if I explain you the question figure, it is like this. Suppose this is the central angle of measurement 15 degree. They are saying find the length of arc. It means that I want to estimate, to calculate what is the value of AB. If theta is given to us 15 degree, but as I told you, as and when we want to calculate either theta or length of arc or radius, the radius in this case is definitely given 5 centimeter. So if AB is the what? AB is the length of arc. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Center point is O. Question is formula, that is length of arc L is given by R into theta. Generally what mistake students does, that they apply it like this 5 into 15. Sorry. If we are using this formula length of arc is equals to radius into angle, angle must be in the radians. So now question raise, wow, we will convert. How we will convert the degree into the radians? To convert that, we have a relation, that is pi radian is known as equals to 180 degree. So vice versa, you can say 180 degree is equals to pi radian, or 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians. Now question comes, what is the 15 degree in radians? Definitely 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians. So we can say 15 degree is equals to pi upon 180 into 15 radians. So we can say 15 12s are 180. So it is coming pi upon 12 radians. So this theta 15 degree become pi upon 12 radians, because it is mandatory to convert the angle in what? In radians. Either if it is in the grades or it is in the degrees. If we want to apply L is equals to R into theta, it is necessary to convert the degrees or grade into radians. Now, length of arc is equals to R is 5, theta is pi upon 12 radians. So, answer comes 5 by 12. 5 by 12 pi centimeter will be the length of arc in this question. This is our required answer. So whatever I told you about the topic measurement of angles, 3 systems of measuring and how to apply is being made you clear with the help of this example. You can take and practice lot many questions regarding this subtopic. In the next we will explain you the compound angles and other trigonometric functions.